Hello guys, mag-o-oven ako ng half chicken. Itong half chicken na to guys, minarinate ko na siya ng 1 hour. Ito yung lunch ng husband ko guys. Yan, minarinate ko na siya guys ng 1 hour. Tapos, ang ginamit ko na marinate guys is mustard. Then, I put oregano. Then, onion powder. Then, I put also black pepper. And garlic powder. And I also use wine for marinating the chicken for 1 hour. And I put some half lemon to marinate it also. And then guys, ready na para sa oven. So, ipag-oven mo na siya guys. After ma-marinate ng 1 hour, then I put the butter guys. Put butter. I use the unsalted butter. Gold unsalted butter. So, I will chop like this the butter and put there. Put the butter there. Yes, butter, and you put the potato, guys. Potato. Carrots. Some of the butter there. Potato and carrots. Put some of here. And then you can put your 2 kinds of bell pepper. Red and green bell pepper. Can put also. Yes, like that guys. Remember guys, ang chicken, minarinate ko muna ng 1 hour dyan sa mga ingredients na yan, okay? Yan. Then, after, you can cover it with aluminum foil, guys. Cover with aluminum foil. And bake for I think 40 minutes or 45 minutes guys. It's ready now to put it in the oven. Here's my oven. Small oven guys. So my chicken also half and small because my husband, she's the only one who eat that one. And now ready. You can put the fire up and down, and you will put 30 minutes. Okay, see, I put 30 minutes. So after that, I will check after 30 minutes. Then the 10 minutes left, I will take out the aluminum foil to make the chicken brown. See, the fire is up and down guys. So we will wait now for 40 minutes. Thank you guys. That's my video for today. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye. So guys, ayan na. Tapos na ang chicken na oven.